You can see on this array, which is going to end up being 6 kilowatts, we had to put up the panels on the seams first, the seams in the unirail. And what that did, because we had to scoot them together in order to get in the holes of this big thick plate, because that's what secures the seam of the unirail, because of that, what it did was it pulled this side of the panel over and it didn't line up with the hole. So we had to drill through the unirail and the panel. Now that wasn't difficult. You get a little pilot hole drilled and then you can do the bigger drill. And it turned out to be okay. But then once you have those on every single seam, then the one in the center goes on pretty easy. You don't need to drill holes for that. Now we also had to ream out the holes for these bigger bolts. So it was a little bit of work, but in the end, it feels stronger, it feels more orderly, and it's going to work just fine. So that's if you have multiple systems here. And these little 2-hole bars that go across the end of the unirail worked great. Now you can find the 4-hole bars. They would work great too. You just have to put the 2 bolts in the center, which are the connector points, through the panel extrusion so that the panel is attached there. Anyway, it's good stuff and it's super strong.